Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. In this video, I will show you that how you can add an image in your current Angular 14 project. So it is going to be very simple for you. First of all, I will show you that we have currently Angular 14 installed in our current project. For that, I will type ng version and that would give you the current version that is installed in your computer. And right now you can see that we have Angular CLI 14.2 and all of other dependencies are also according to that CLI. Further, you can make sure by going to the package.json, and here you will notice that we have Angular 14 installed. So this is a very simple project with the hello world message in it. So I would just add some images and I will show you how we can add that. So first of all, I have downloaded few images in my desktop. I'm going to copy paste in my Angular project. For that, open the Angular project, and in that we have the assets folder. In the assets folder, I'm going to create another folder that would be images. In the images folder, I'm going to copy paste or drag all of three images in that folder. So I have moved those three pictures into the images folder. Now we are going to use it inside our one and only component, that is app.component. That is our main component of this application. So it is not rocket science to add an image tag. It is very simple, like we do in any HTML website. So just add image source and complete the tag, and in the source you have to specify the path of the image that you want to add. For example, our image is inside the assets images folder and we are in the app.component.html, that is inside the app folder. So first of all, we have to come outside of this app folder. For that, I will type dot slash. That would take me outside of app folder, and from there we want to go inside the assets folder. So just type assets, and inside the assets we have the images folder, and inside the images it will show you the all of the available images. I'm going to use the first one, and let's see how it works in my application. So open the Chrome and you can see that image is visible now. Now I want to add other two images as well, so let's just copy paste all of these images, and I'm going to replace the name with the other names. Okay, now you can see that we have all of the images visible in the same page. Next thing that I want to show you that there is another way to specify the path. So this is called relative path, where you have to move back or you have to specify relative directories. For example, you're telling that you are inside the app folder and now go back from here and find the destination path. But the another way is called absolute path. In the absolute path, you don't have to specify this one. This method is not recommended by me. For example, right now your image tag is inside the app component, and this path is correct according to this file at this moment. But when you copy paste this code and move it in another folder that is nested in further few folders, then this path would be invalid for you, and you must have to update your path to make it correct according to new folder structure that you are going to have in your project. So this is not scalable solution. So the better approach is that you just don't specify dot slash and just leave it like this. So if you don't specify this thing, then it would automatically start looking from the root directory of the source folder. So if you don't specify anything before the path, then that's mean it will start looking from the source directory. So for example, right now you can see that we have assets, so that's mean it will go to the source directory, and in the source directory it will look for the assets folder, and in the assets folder it will look for the images folder, and then it will find the one.jpg. So let's save it and test it in browser if it is still showing the images. Yes, you can see that images are still being shown perfectly. So now as I explained, the benefit of this approach is that now you can just copy these line of codes and move it anywhere in any nested folders, and it will keep working. You will not have to adjust the path every time you move your code around in any of the subfolders. So this would keep working all of the time. So it is easy to maintain your code. So this is how you can add images in your Angular project, and other things would stay same. Like if you want to add width, you can add that. That does not matter at all. It is same like you do in your HTML, so it is not different than that. So I hope that this video was useful for you. If this video was useful for you, then please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for upcoming video. Also, please like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.